Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you how to model this set of stairs. Look like this one. Okay, so let's start. So first create a project. So this is a project, and then let's model a set of stairs. So use the center ends as spiral, and maybe I'll change the width to 2 meter. Okay, so maybe something like this, and finish. So now let's go to 3D view, and so the issue now we have is how to model this, the handrail, the solid, like the wall, solid wall along these stairs. First, I'm going to quickly try to use the railing. Okay, so let me try. It won't be perfect, but I'll show you why. Okay, so first I'm going to draw a profile for a railing. Okay, so new, family, so profile. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a profile of this stair. So let's say 100, and 100, and it will be from this stairs maybe 900, and below this level will be let me say maybe 350. So now load this into the project, and go to 3D view. I'm going to create a new railing. Okay, so edit type, duplicate. So I'll call it solid. Okay, so now let's have a look at the ballast tab, because we don't need any of them. I'll just turn these to none, as well as this one. So sorry, not this one, not this one, sorry. Use ballast tab trays downstairs, just turned off. So if I click OK, you will see now there's no ballast tray. Now we just need to change this top rail. Well, we're going to use the top rail and with the new profile we just did. So top rail, so here, click here, and we're going to duplicate. So create a new one. I'll call it solid. Now OK, and on the profile I'm going to find this one. So this one just did, and OK. So OK. So now, okay, so it looks like we need to change the height. So it's okay. So go top rail, change it to 0. Fine, okay. So now you can see it's sitting here. Maybe we need to offset it a little bit. So yeah, I guess it's like this. And also I'll change this type. I think change it to precast so we don't. Yeah, so nice and clean. So now the issue here, you will see this line, it's not straight. See, it's actually a little bit curved. So see, can you tell? So, and also if RMA, so you can tell here it's more curved. See here. So maybe let me just change that to 0. Maybe I'll just change to a -100. So yeah, see, on the side of the stair you can tell this wall or this handrail, it's not straight, it's curved. Okay, so this is the first method we try. So which it works on straight. If it's the stairs is straight, and if I match them, you want to say it works fine, it's straight. But if it's a spiral stairs, it won't work. Okay, so I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, so now let's delete the that railing, and we're going to try different method. Okay, so this time, so edit type of this stairs and go to supports. So turn on this support, right support, maybe a stringer, and also turn on this left. Okay, so now we have this support. So what we can do is go edit this support, and I'll duplicate a new one. I'll call it solid. Okay, so here width, I'll change it to 100, and total depth, I think I'll change it to 1300, roughly, maybe 1350. Okay, and apply. So you will see quite good. The result is quite good. And also on this side, I'm going to change this as well. So solid. Okay. But the only issue is if you look at the height of them, so they are different. They are different. So I just need to maybe. So I'll just put one level here. I'll create another level here. So let's CAL calculation. So 1707 minus 1348 equals 350 roughly. So maybe I can just for this one solid. I'm going to 350. So duplicate, create a new one. I'll change this height to 1 meter height. Okay and okay. So yeah, now it's too low. So maybe we need to change the height again to make it 1175 maybe. Okay. No. 1125. Yeah. Maybe 11. Yeah, it's quite I don't know how, yeah, it's close enough. So yeah, I don't know why the height will be different when you place on different sides, but this one looks okay for me. And if I want to show all this vertical pattern, maybe I'll just change the material for that. So I'll just use the material with a little bit pattern. So where the pattern appearance, yeah, sorry. So model maybe depends on maybe 74. That should be fine. And okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so same this one. I'll just, you can actually, I think you can try to select one of them, and then and then change the material. Okay, so yeah, something funny here, but yeah, I think that's okay. For documentation, that should be enough. So now I'm going to show you another one. Okay, so more complicated one. So before that, I'm going to just turn off this support and delete. Okay, so now we have this stairs, and previously I did a tutorial about using mesh, so you can create a vertical wall with different height. So we're going to use that method. So first I'm going to create a generic model, adaptive. Okay, so and place one point, and then make it adaptive, and create another point. Draw a work plane, pick this work plane, place it on point, the adaptive point, and drag it up. Okay, just topping maybe 1300, and then create a parameter. I'll call it maybe h, and change it to instance, and okay. So now we select these two and create a spline and keep it as a model line. Okay, so this will be the profile. So now we're going to create a new family, adaptive generic model adaptive. go back to this, load this into the new family, and okay, so now let's in this family in this new adaptive family we're going to place a few adaptive points, maybe let's say 5 of them, okay, and make adaptive. So now go to the previous one, so create component, so you can place this family, so this is the profile, onto, so make sure it's placed on face, okay, so on this profile, on this adaptive point. So now select this 1 2 3 4 5, check this, uncheck the visible, so and create form. Okay, so now this is a form, a mask we can use for that rating. Okay, so and also check this always vertical. So now let's load this into the project and go to 3D view, and we can try to place it. So for example, hang on, something's not right. It won't let me to place. Not, I think we need to do some setting. So let's go back, place it here, edit this family, and select one of this profile, because we need to set it to be vertical as well. See, always vertical. Now load back into that family, override, and then load this back into here, override. So override, and now let's try it again. So CS, and this time still not working. So that's fine, let's try. So place 1 point. Yep, so now it's working now. 2 point, 3 point. Just place them equally, like along this path, so you will see. So it's roughly match this the stair of this. The shape of this stairs. So now we can create a wall by face, and I'm just going to use this generic 100 wall and place it here. So now you can see we create a wall along this on the side of the stairs, and we can use this as a rail, a handrail. Okay, so for this for the pattern, we can either use some material, change the give this finish, what's that called, finish, give it a model pattern. So this one option. So this is one option, and another one. So let me just Control V. Another option is we can make it into this mass. Okay, so I'm going to temporarily hide HH, temporarily hide the wall, and this one I'm going to edit family, and then select this. So first, let me just drag these points to close them to each other. Just make it smaller. So, and then select this face, divide surface, and V grid, I'll change it to none, so only vertical. And for U grid, I'm going to change it to maximum spacing. I'll change it to maybe 80. Okay, so now we have all this. So and then we need to model a batten. Okay, so the batten will be an adaptive family as well. So go create a new generic model adaptive. So place 1 point, and I'm going to copy it up and create another one. So now select these two, make adaptive, create a spline through them, and then make them reference line. So now place 1 point. I'm going to use draw on face, pick anywhere on this reference line, and then we need to reference a rectangle, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane, and I'll just draw a square here. So then use tab key to, you can pick individual reference size, or we can change the size. Here I'm going to just change it to 40 by 40. So if you want to, you can add parameter for them. So I'm going to move it away for 100. So that's the space for the wall. So because I know that I will place a 100 more there, and also I'll center it. Okay, so hang on, is that right? Let me Control Z. Looks like a little bit off. Anyway, let me click here, and yeah, so I'll just move it to use the center point. Okay, so yeah, that's correct. Now select this profile, and also with this path, create form. So this will be one batten, and then load this into here. So which is family 6. So I'll load this into family 6, and OK, and no, and oh, hang on, sorry. Before I place this, I need to select this divided surface, and here to turn on the nodes. So go create component, place it from 1 point up to yeah, and it looks like yeah, I need to rotate it by 90 degrees, so that's fine. So let's go back into this family. So I'm going to just go to floor plan maybe, and then TL RO space, pick this point here, 90 degree. Oh, it won't work. Maybe I can just move it MV, this one. Hell, what's this one? Solid, no, HH. Where's my profile? Let me change the view range. So click on this, and then edit view range. I'll change it to 999, and OK. Yep, so that's the profile. So let's rotate it RO space, click here to here. So create HR. Oh, that's interesting. So because we only have one profile, so this will happen. So that's why if you need to create, so if you need to change the size, so you will need 2 profiles on each end. But today I'm just going to delete the solid, and then create it again. So okay, because I'm not going to change the size for this. So load this back into that family 6, and then OK. So now it's on the correct side, either here or there. Okay, so that's fine. And then select this family, repeat. So this is the pattern. So now we can, before I load this back into the project, select this divided surface here, uncheck the nodes. So in the project you won't see these blue color lines. Okay, so load this. Oh, sorry, you won't see those nodes, the points, the dots. Okay, so load this back into the project. So then you will still see these blue color lines, divided surface, or the grids. So what you can do is VV on the mass M. So and then check this mass, uncheck the grid on. Okay, so they're gone. So HR to show the wall. So that's it. And let's do another one. So what we can select this mass first. So sorry, generic model adaptive CS. I'm going to just place 5 points along this path. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so actually it's on the wrong side, so we can just check this flip. Okay, so now we can just create another wall. So this is wall by face, CS, create similar, and then pick this mass. So you can see this. So this is the wall. We just hang on. Yeah, here. Okay, so that's it. Let me quickly do another one. Okay, so CS. This one, 1, 2, 3. Finish. And then I'll delete this handrail, and then select this path, CS, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for this one, I'll just need to flip it. Looks like I picked the wrong place. No, that's fine. Tab, select this point. You can pick new host and then just move it. So see. Okay, so and then create a wall. Pick the wall. Yep. CS and pick this. And let's do another one. CS create similar. And where's my? Oh, let me just hide this level. CS. EH. And select this generic model, CS. I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last point here on. And then select this wall and CS. Okay, so that's it. So yep. So what do you think? This method would be good for, if you need to do some render, I believe, but for documentation I think the second one would be better because it's easier. So that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.